Okay, sometimes they don't always give us a graph. They just give us the two ordered pairs. If they do give us the two ordered pairs, there's different ways to do this. I like the slope formula. There's a way I like better, but this is okay. So you can see they're going to give you an ordered pair. It doesn't matter. You can call it x1, y1, or x10, y10. It doesn't matter. They have to go together up and down. But remember, the rise is about on the top. It's the numerator. So whatever your y values are in the numerator. And then your x values, that's the runs, because not the runs, but left and right. Yeah, sorry. But the x values, that's the horizontal number line, so that's why it's in the denominator, because that's our run. Okay, and then of course they give us the second value that we can plug in here as well. So this is just plug and chug. When I put this into the calculator, I'm going to use the N over D button, and then I'm just going to plug in the values. You'll notice also that it's always subtraction between the values. That's because it's a distance. Subtraction always tells us distance between values. You could say difference because it is subtraction, but that's what we're trying to find, how far apart the values are. And we don't even necessarily need to worry about direction because it's going to tell us as we put this into the calculator. So what do we got? We got this formula, right? And I know it needs to be y1 over x1 and then y2 over x2. Corresponding values need to be directly above and below each other. I'm going to call my first point x1, y1. So I can see the y value is -7, and then I can see the x value is 4. I just plug that in. Next, I see this ordered pair, which I'm going to say is x2, y2. I can see the y value is 0, so I replace the y2 with 0, and the x value is 1. I replace that. This will give me the slope. Just got to put it in the calculator. So n over d, -7 minus 0, all over. So I push down to go to the denominator, 4 minus 1, enter, and it tells me the slope is -7/3. We did it. Here's the good news about this. Some students get confused because they're like, which one is 1 and which one's 2? It doesn't matter because it's a straight line. The steepness of the line will never change. The slope of the line will never change. So if you made this 0, 1 here and then -7, 4, you'd get exactly the same slope.